Everybody in today's world has cravings, so why not we opt for something which is dairy-free, gluten-free and refined sugar-free. Welcome to BodyProCoach. I'm Maahek Nair and that's Praveen Nair, and today we're doing homemade peanut butter cupcakes.
Alright guys, so let's go and have a look at the recipe.
1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup coconut oil, 1/4 cup maple syrup, half teaspoon salt, half cup peanut butter. First, half cup cocoa powder. Take it in a mixing bowl. To that, we're going to add cup oil, that's coconut oil. And now I'm going to whisk them nicely. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt and I'm going to add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. I'm going to mix it well. And now directly we take a baking dish. To this we're going to add second layer. And we're going to add peanut butter. Last, we cover that up once again. And now our cacao peanut cupcakes are ready to go into the refrigerator. We're going to put them into the refrigerator for the next 20 to 30 minutes. And our yummy peanut butter cupcakes are ready. They are super easy, super fast guys. You don't even have to bake them. So that's here. I'm going to show you. Is it. They look delicious.
Amazing. So they're filled with antioxidants. That's one of the most important that you look for in almost all the meals. There we go. You want to make sure that you subscribe, hit that bell icon. That's very important, that you get to know about all the videos that we have, which we're posting almost about 7 videos in a week, which means a lot of information, a lot of recipes, and a lot of workout programs. And soon we're going to be launching Pilates programs too.
Yeah. So you have everything on one channel, that's BodyProCoach.
Enjoy, share the channel with your friends and family, and keep coming back. Thank you so much.